My name is Turkissa Wilson, and I am doing this video because I want to show you how to build up your stockpile of toys for your Easter basket. I did previous videos on if you are having a hard time or just need extra income, extra money, then you can always sell gift baskets, okay? Just all you gotta do is go to the corner, any corner, and simply sell gift baskets. And I want to show you how to build up your stockpile, not a lot of money, and this is why you got quality toys. I'm gonna show you quality toys and how to get them for cheap. Now, at Walgreens, they have a 50% off, so the toys that you see were $3.49 a piece. Okay, most of the toys I got, right? And these are perfect because they're not too big and they're not too small for my baskets. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at the toys. So you want to hurry up and go to Walgreens before everything is gone. Now, I don't know if they're gonna be 90%, but the way in my area, I gotta get it when I get it, when I see it, should I say. I gotta get it when I see it, because things go fast. And there's hardly, the shelves are already empty as it is. So if I see it, I'm just gonna grab it. And then if it goes 90% off, I'm not gonna be mad if I go in and they don't got nothing, because I picked up a few things here and there to hold me over. All right, so I just wanted to show you. See, you can see we got some cars right here. We got Avengers cars right here for the boys. We got Hot Wheels, $3.49, you guys. Now this right here was not $3. This was actually, I want to say $7. I cannot remember. Don't quote me on that. But this one was $7. But I'm doing a LOL basket, so I grabbed her. But everything else, this was only $3.49. We got another, this is a remote control car, $3.49. And then you can see the other things right here. I got this baby toy right here, because I'm going to do baby baskets as well. $3.49. All right, you guys. Walkie-talkies. Super cute. I got one for a boy and one for a girl. Spider-Man and the Disney princesses. I got My Little Pony. Another baby toy. And then I also picked up a few things from the dollar store. So all of these were $1. These were also gold, because my goal is to only spend $5 in each basket. That's it. So you see, $3.49. This got a little basketball thing. And there you have it. Got some more books. Super cute. All right, you guys. So good luck on finding your toys. I just wanted to show you how to get your toys for cheap and build up your stockpile, you guys, for Easter, and get ready for Easter. Y'all have a blessed one.